All right, we're going to do some more practice. We're going to figure out how many feet above or below sea level are each of the following. So we have some different objects here out in our ocean. Remember, at sea level is 0. At sea level is 0. So we have that sky, we've got some birds, we've got a plane. We've got the boat that's at sea level. They're out at sea. Haha, that's why they call it at sea level. Well, I don't know if that's why, but that sounds pretty good. Then we have Dory, we have Nemo, we've got another fish, a friend, we've got a seahorse, and we've got a shark. Shark attack! All right, we're going to figure out where our items are, where our objects are on our number line. So, we're going to figure out that boat. That boat, remember, is at sea level, so we're going to just put that as 0. So our boat is at 0. It's at 0. The fish, Nemo fish. So we're going to have Nemo here. Nemo is at, ooh, look at that, negative 50 feet. So Nemo's at negative 50 feet. You can put feet if you want, or you don't have to. You can put 0 feet if you want, or you don't have to. All right, now we're going to take a look at Dory. How cute. So Dory's in between 0 and 50. Do you remember what we were saying when we had those in between 0 and 50? Remember when we were thinking of like quarters? If you split up 50 cents, you get 25 cents each. So that's actually going to be 0, or I'm sorry, not 0 and 25 cents. That's going to be 25 feet. So negative 25 feet. So Dory is at negative 25 feet. And then we have our lovely plane up here, and that is at, whoop, whoop, 150 positive feet. And that's going to be it for our practice. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Great job.